2005 Nissan Titan 5.6 liter V8. Awesome truck. Still got factory converters there and there. Then what we did was widen into a single. We don't like that. So what are we gonna do? True dual. Duals, baby. True duals into something different. The customer brought his own mufflers. They're the Banks Monster, part number 53962. Two of them. Just make sure you guys, if you do true duals on them, make sure you get them in 2.5, not 3 inch, because we have to expand them to make them fit. So just, you know, makes it a little bit easier on the muffler shop. And then we got 2.25 tailpipes out the back on each side into 4-inch tips rolled. There's the Banks Monster Flowmasters. Oh, Monsters, sorry. Banks Monster mufflers. He said he heard them on a truck of his friends and he loved them, so he went and bought some so we can put them on. And there's the boxes for him. So we'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. I think it's gonna sound good. There they are. Banks Monsters. It's tilting now. Look. Do it again. It's different. I like it. Again. That one is not working for some reason. Again. Like 94, 95. Not too loud. So it won't drone too much inside, which is a good thing. And they'll probably take a break-in period too.
Yeah.
Get a little bit louder. What do you think?
All I needed to hear.
You like them?
Sounds great, man.
Heck yeah.
Sounds great.
Banks Monsters. If you guys want, we'll hopefully have a link in the description for them if we find them. Go ahead. Hey, the more it's warming up, the sound is changing. One more? Yeah, it's changing. Tell us what you guys think. I think it sounds good. I like it. Let you guys hear on the inside. Nissan Titan 5.6 liter with a Banks Monster system. True duals. Hopefully he gets on it. He said he will. Let's see.